Hello AP Physics 1 students, welcome to week 11 of this course. You're already halfway through the semester. Great job. Keep up the good work. Keep working hard. Before I get into the assignments for the next 2 weeks, I just want to encourage you to keep plugging along. Make sure that you are devoting time to the course and not falling behind. Make sure you're pacing yourself. Make sure you are planning and being disciplined. One of the hardest things about an online course is that you are setting the pace, and you're kind of an independent learner in some ways. So you got to be disciplined and motivated, and make sure that you're doing everything you need to do. Of course, I am here to help you. I'm here to encourage you. Here to assist you in any way that I possibly can. So don't forget that as well. Um, I also want to just mention that physics is a difficult course, and so you need to make sure that you are spending time reviewing, going back and looking at the material that maybe you've already covered, just to um, continue to deepen your understanding and your knowledge of the course material. Uh, Especially as we get further and further into the course, realize that all of the information that you learned previously is going to be coming together now, and you're going to be using multiple facets of your knowledge in order to complete a problem. So it's going to take you time to process things. You get a problem and you need to read through it. Maybe you need to read through it several times in order to really understand it. I also would encourage you to make sure you're drawing diagrams, free body diagrams, writing down the information that is given, write down what is unknown. Take time to set up the problem. It's not something that you need to rush through, because I fear if you do, you're going to miss something. Okay? So, as with all the other courses, or all the other weeks, I mean, you can start with your reading and your problem solving. It's assigned there in day one, but if you can spread it out throughout the week or the 2 weeks, that may be helpful as well. Okay? There's a video right here in day 2 of week 11 that talks a little bit about ballistic pendulum, and that's helpful because it will allow you to understand that type of problem, because it's going to come up later on. It applies here to your lab as well. So there's a lab here that's looking at pendulum, and you're going to want to look at that lab and complete it. Don't leave the labs till last. The labs really are designed in order to help you with the current chapter and kind of reinforce your learning. You have a reading quiz in day 5 of week 11, and of course there's a help assignment if you need it, and discussion questions that you need to answer. As we move into week 12, we've got all your video lectures available to you, so use those to reinforce your learning. And as you move through week 12, you're going to find you're going to do the lecture quiz, and again, you can do the lecture quiz after you have watched those informational videos. If you feel confident about the material already, you can move straight to the lecture quiz, but all that material is there to help you, so I encourage you to use it. Chapter 6 test is at the end of week 12, so if you have any questions before that, please contact me. Don't hesitate to send me your questions. I'll get right back to you. We'll set up a Skype session, or I'll make you a video, or I'll email you right back, or whatever you need in order to get you prepared for the Chapter 6 test. Okay? So keep up the good work. Let me know if I can assist in any way.